Example 4 in Stat 101, Examples Class 5, is graduate recruitment. In a graduate recruitment scheme, 3 entry-level positions were advertised, for which 4 male and 6 female candidates applied. Only men got the jobs. What is the probability of this occurring by chance? The first thing we need to consider, is this a combinations question or is this a permutations problem? Is order important? Does it matter when we've chosen our 3 males out of a possible 4? Does it matter which order we select those 3? Is order important? No, we will end up with the same group of 3 no matter which order we choose them in, so order is not important in this case. We will still select the same group of 3. Having ascertained it's a combinations problem, we then need to see how are we going to find the probability of this occurring by chance. Probability, remember, is the number of outcomes we're interested in divided by the total number of outcomes that are possible. So the number of ways of selecting what we're interested in divided by the total number of outcomes overall. So this question, the number of outcomes totally are choosing 3 out of 10. We've got 10 candidates in total, so the number of ways of choosing 3 in general from that group of 10 is a combinations question. It is 10 choose 3. Those are all the outcomes possible, 3 out of a total of 10 candidates. The question, though, says that only men got the jobs. 3 jobs, 3 men. But 3 men out of a possible 4. We had 4 males to choose from, so we're interested in the number of ways of selecting 3 males from a possible 4. Still combinations, but 4 choose 3 this time. The last bit of the question is we have chosen 3 males from a possible 4. How many females did we choose? Number of ways of selecting 0 females. No females were chosen. We need to consider the number of ways of selecting 0 females from a possible 6. Out of 6 females, none were chosen. Those are all the combinations that we require for this question. Probability, therefore, will be the number of ways of choosing the men, 4 choose 3, multiplied by those ways of choosing 0 females, 6 choose 0, divided by our total number of outcomes, which was 10 choose 3. So this should be the probability that we require. Combinations, once again use the button on the calculator, or we shall do this all in Excel. First row, number of ways of selecting are 3 in total, 3 out of a possible 10. It's going to be the combin function. Combin function is found in the math and trig section, but we know it, we can type it in directly. So out of the total number, we've got 10 to choose. We need to choose, 3 out of a possible 10. 10 choose 3. Second one, choosing those males. Choosing 3 out of a possible 4, so it's combin 4, 3. Moving on to the females, same function, combin, but this time choosing 0 out of a possible 6, so it's 6 choose 0. Having got those cells, we can use those then in our probability calculation. So our probability equals, let's pick up the value from the males, multiply it, that's our star, by the value for the females, close our brackets, and then we're going to divide by our total number of outcomes, which is our cell B1. Excel picks up those references and gives us a probability of 0.33 recurring. Probability of 0.03 to 2 decimal places. So our ways, 4 times 1 divided by 120, giving us a probability of this event occurring by chance of 0.033 to 3 decimal places. Very small probability. And that's the end of example 4.